In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to DoorDash gift card. By the end, you'll know exactly how to redeem a DoorDash gift card and where to find your credits so you can start ordering right away. I'll walk you through both the app and the website, keep everything simple, and share a few helpful tips so nothing gets missed. Start by opening DoorDash. You can use the DoorDash app on your phone or tablet, or go to DoorDash.com in a web browser. Make sure you're logged in to the account where you want the gift card applied. If you use more than one device, it's best to stick with the one you usually order from, so your credits are easy to find later. Next, head to your account menu. In the app, look for the three horizontal lines, the menu icon, usually at the top left or top right of the screen, and tap it. On the website, you'll typically see your profile or a menu option at the top right. From there, choose Payments or look for Credits and Gift Cards. The exact wording can vary slightly, but you're aiming for the place where DoorDash stores payment methods and credits. Now, it's time to redeem your gift card. Find and select Redeem Gift Card. When the field appears, carefully type in your gift card code exactly as it's shown. If your gift card is digital, copy and paste can help avoid typos. If it's physical, the code is usually printed clearly. Hyphens aren't typically required, and capitalization doesn't matter. Once the code is entered, tap or click Redeem. Give it a moment to process. You should see a confirmation that the balance has been added. Your gift card instantly turns into DoorDash credits, which are stored in your account. You can view your credits in the same Payments or Credits section whenever you want to check your balance. From now on, when you place an order at your favorite restaurant, your DoorDash credits will usually apply automatically at checkout. If you see a toggle or option for DoorDash credits, just make sure it's turned on. If your credits don't cover the full total, the remaining amount will be charged to your backup payment method. If they more than cover the order, the leftover balance stays in your account for next time. That's all there is to it. Open DoorDash, log in, go to Payments or Credits and Gift Cards, redeem your code, and you're ready to order using your gift card credits. Enjoy your meal and happy ordering.